Hey, welcome back guys to another cool episode from Appalachian Lighting Innovations. So with this build we did a few weeks ago, we installed a Phoenix Typhoon handheld siren. We installed two Fusion surface mount 180 degree in the front grille. We also installed two Fusion surface mount 40 degree in the side windows. We installed a set of hideaways that the customer supplied and a rear light bar that the customer also supplied. Everything is tied into the Phoenix handheld Typhoon siren. This is a really awesome build, very cost effective, and it turned out really well. So the reason why we went with the 180s in the grille was because they offer a wider spread of light for intersections, and the 40s on the side windows because they penetrate their window tint a lot better than a 180 degree optic. The hideaway strobes turned out really well, and so did the light bar in the rear window. So if you guys are looking for a similar build like this, make sure you give us a call, hit us up at our phone number, or shoot us a message on Facebook. You can check us out on there. So we got more videos coming your guys' way, so make sure you guys like, subscribe, and share, and keep watching. We got more videos coming, like I said. So until next time, guys, thank you for watching, and we'll see you again on the next episode. Hold on, we're going to test a couple more tones.
Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3.